Today we're going to be carrying on with Google Forms. This is part 2, so let's just carry on. Let's go to the desktop. Okay, let's get back on track with what we were doing from last time. I know it wasn't last week, but let's just carry on. So, obviously you see what is the capital city of Britain and what's the name of this country below. And this is not just what Google Forms is all about. You can change lots of stuff in Google Forms, so I'll teach you that today. So let's say you are going to preview your test. You're going to have to make quite a lot of questions maybe, because you can't really just have 2 questions as a form. Well, you can, but it's probably a little bit boring for the viewers. So firstly, let's add another question. Let's say, I'm going to use Canada as an example. So I'm going to do a true or false question. Is Toronto the capital city of Canada? Yes and no. Okay. This is like another style, like multiple choice, but I think I might want check boxes. Now, I could add another option or add other. Add other is a selection where if you need to write other for your form, you can just click it, because that's quite a common answer in different types of forms for like housing bills, stuff like that. Like, who are you? Like, I don't know how to explain it, but let's just carry on. So I can click add other, but I don't need add other. This is just going to be a true or false question, but it's not really going to be the answer is true or false. They're just a closed question. Anyways, I'm going to add an image. If you want to add an image into your question, then you click this frame that has mountains on it. Click it and go to Google Images. If you have something to upload or webcam, I'm going to use don't allow. I mean, I can allow, but it'll just come up like this. Double. I don't want double, because double's a bit interesting. So I'm just going to have Google Images and search Canada. Yeah, flag. This is the Canada flag. I'm going to insert this. And there. So this is, I forgot something, sorry guys. Now it's there. Is Toronto the capital city of Canada? Yes or no? I'm going to put an answer key. I've shown you how to put on answer key if you haven't got that. So you click on settings and blah blah blah. It will be on Google Forms part 1. So I'm going to have no as the answer, because the actual capital city is Ottawa. Click done, and you'll see there's a tick next to the correct answer. I'm also going to change the point level. I'm going to have 1 point. And I have 3 questions. I'm going to show you another way to add a question. So you click this, and I'm going to have, I could have checkboxes, I could have drop downs. I have lots of different options. Now, I could have a tick box grid, but I'm not going to do that because I'm a little bit confused with that. Okay, here it is. I can see now, I can see. So row 1, add row. I'm not gonna do tick box. I think tick box might be a waste of time for you guys. I'm gonna see how drop down works. So our question is, where is Australia? I'm gonna add Oceania, Asia, Europe. What else is there? Africa. And finally, North America and South America. I think that's how the drop downs work. I think we have to select a drop down. If I don't like that, I'll quickly change it. Don't worry. I'm going to add an image of Australia. Remember, there are 2 countries that sound like each other, Australia and Austria. Here it is, my image. Might need shrinking it. If it ends up on the right, click somewhere else and then click this on the image and then you can align it. I'm going to do center align. Alright, let me add an answer key. Oceania. I hope you have enjoyed part 2. I'll see you later. Goodbye.